Dan Swede with Hydrochem Systems. We're here with Nate from Nate's Bin Cleaning Services Plus out of North Dakota. Got great logos and the sign package turned out phenomenal. And we'll show you that we're gonna, initially we always start the machine. It's cold, so we haven't ran it. So what we're gonna do is, there's a clean can. What we're gonna do right off the bat is use that can to preheat the unit, so we'll run that for like a minute. This one's pretty bad from the barbecue. Once this thing is heated on the left side for a little over a minute, about a minute, we'll go ahead and run it. We'll run it for about 30 seconds just to show them the incredible 10 times the cleaning speed of other systems. Once again, Dan Swede, Hydrochem Systems. Nate, and that's N8 and bin cleaning. Alright, let's get this show rolling. Alright, you can go ahead and fire up and then crank the heat on in the back. We're just letting all 9 gallons a minute heat up. You can see from the minute we open that valve is when the burner actually turned on and how incredibly fast you see steam coming out of there. that was proof